Hi everybody, welcome to the Cozy Hermitage Craft Cottage. My name is John. It is the 23rd of December and Advent and Vlogmas. So have all those covered. Of course it's soon to be the 24th in 3 hours since I'm doing this at 9 o'clock at night. Today was pretty good. I put some more lights up that you saw before this. and then I showed you a picture of or a video of our Christmas tree and the fireplace on the TV, like Jeanette from Crafty Cleggs does. I do that too. I do that. I have the fireplace going quite a bit on the TV. I kind of like it. Let me see. So I think I found a cutting mat that I'm not using, and I put that on the table, and I put the hand crank sewing machine on that. It seemed kind of stable, so I think I'll just try that and see how that works. So I think I'll do another block. Yeah, I want to see how that cutting mat works and whether I have to find something else or whether I can just use that and yeah. So hopefully you all have been having a good week. Getting close to Christmas. Hope you're all ready. I know my wife and Kristen and my youngest daughter Rachel, they went to Spokane today to do some last minute Christmas shopping and get some food and and stuff. So Rachel got contacts. I think the first time she's had contacts as far as I remember. So yeah, so I'm glad she can see now. So I'll get you set up and we'll see what happens. Off to the machines. Here's a picture of the cutting mat with the sewing machine on it. Okay, I'm set up. It only took approximately 40 minutes for me to get the needle threaded, and then I had some problem with the bobbin, so I had to fiddle with that for a little bit, but it seems to be working now. So we'll give it a go. It's not moving, is it? And I think I went off a bit. Yeah. I need to do that one over. Yeah, I'll show you. See? And my seems too big. So let's try this one. You hear the wind howling? It's pretty windy outside right now. Okay, here goes the second one. This is working a lot better on this cutting mat. I'm really liking this. I think I screwed up again. Let's see. Yeah, it's just like the other one. See? Just like the other one. And I did them wrong too. Well, I gotta redo those. Well, I'm glad I got the sewing machine working again, and this mat really seems to keep it held down in place, which I'm really glad about. So, yeah, and it's getting easier to. I oiled it yesterday, and I think some of that oil's getting in there and helping out a bit. So, because it's getting easier to use, easier to turn. Either that or I'm getting stronger. So, anyway, I think we're gonna go back to the chair. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. So, I think this one's gonna be a short one tonight. I've said that every night for the last 3 nights, and each night it's gotten longer and longer. So I haven't made them shorter. I've made them even if it's just a couple minutes longer. So anyway, we'll see if I can do it tonight and make it shorter. So I hope everyone has a great remainder of the night. I hope you have a wonderful 24th. I'm going to try and do a video earlier in the day tomorrow. So it's actually out on the 24th. And I will do the same on the 25th and try and get it out probably after the kids and everybody open presents and stuff. I'll come out and make a video. So anyway, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Sorry, this was kind of a, I don't know, non-exciting one with the sewing machine this time. But maybe next time. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing on the 25th. So don't expect great things. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.